Want to simplify your project's overview? Today, we'll show you how to integrate your store's data directly into your Jira dashboards, giving you a central hub for comprehensive project insights. First, log into Jira. Head to the top navigation menu and select Dashboards. This brings you to the dashboard area. Decide to either select a pre-existing dashboard or create a new one using Create Dashboard. Name your new dashboard something fitting that fits your project tracking needs. This promotes organization and straightforwardness. Save that and prepare to add gadgets. Click on Add Gadget. At this point, you'll choose the optimum gadget corresponding to your store's data. This depends on your store's specific data source. Consider options like custom chart gadgets or gadgets, if available, from specific plugins. Examine the gadget directory to find one that can pull data from your system. Click Add. Within the gadget's configuration, you'll need to configure parameters. Select your project in the configurations. Choose the relevant data source or connection. Input the required information, like API keys, connection, URLs, or authentication credentials for your stores. After configuring, your store's data will appear in the gadget on your dashboard. Tweak the layout and arrangement of your gadgets to quickly and plainly create the optimal view. And there you have it. You're integrated your store data, achieving a more complete project overview with all your key metrics in one spot. Teams can track progress efficiently and make data decisions with clarity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Jira tutorials.